What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. I just learned I cannot go on YouTube while recording, so I will not make a video of reacting to friends. I'm just gonna tell you. I'm gonna play Micro Battles and tell you what their channels is. Little Big MC is one of my friends. Octo Banana, One Lizard or I Lizard. Then it's wait, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's all I remember right now. I don't remember. Oh yeah, my friend. I don't really know how to say it, but John Dickinson. That's all. Or wait, no. It's John Cena, my friend. That's his channel. He named it after himself. Anyways, this is gonna be a short video. I was just explaining to you. I didn't really want I couldn't do a episode reacting to friends. I was gonna do also.
Hello, sir.
Anyways, yeah. So I'm just gonna explain what's gonna be on the next episode of the survival series. Next episode, I'm gonna make iron armor and stuff like that. Then extend the house with a second floor. It's gonna be absolutely huge. And I'm gonna make a do not laugh with my friend. Also, it's only gonna be two of us though. That's what I hate. Maybe I'll make the server do not laugh with people on Skype right now. Maybe I don't know. But anyways, guys, we're just playing some of this. We're playing some Micro Battles right now. Also, subscribe to Echo X Soldier if you didn't. And subscribe to Popular MOS if you haven't. He's a famous YouTuber. Still, let him get to that I don't know, freaking 8 million subscribers. Man, help him get to that much subscribers. Those are the two guys that inspired me to make a survival series of Minecraft. Those are the two people that inspired me to make those two videos. I'm just wrecking face right now. I'm gonna die. Wreck face! You don't hit me, man. No one hits me. Okay, we are winning, guys. This is good, but I think it's a 3v1 with this person has no armor, freaking no armor. No, what? Did you just see that? Guy one-shot me.
Barney, I'm going to be honest, you really didn't break the ice too well.
Anyways, guys, this is going to be like a short episode just explaining about the things I'm going to do. Anyways, I might not make a season 2 with my friend because I might not. I'm pretty sure I will. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to talk with my mom to say I want to really badly so I can record. And so yeah, this is gonna be the last round, or another round after this. It's just gonna be a short episode. That's all. I don't want to play too much. So this guy doesn't even know I'm here. Man, this guy doesn't even know I'm here. Little Kelly Gaming. Why is she here? She doesn't play PvP. What the hell? Thank you. Finally. I can't get... Run! Run! anyways, guys, sorry, this is a short episode. Just explaining my ideas. Anyways, bye, guys. Subscribe, like, comment for more daily Minecraft videos. Bye.